me and my brother. We started back when we got out of high school. We did our first paving job in 1978. We bought our first asphalt plant in 1986, and today we have 5 of them and 350 employees. Back in the 80s, if you put down 500 to 700 ton a day, it would be a great day. Today our goal is 2,500 a day. I enjoy the challenges. We always try to do more than our competitors, get more down, figure out a faster, better way to do it. All our employees and me and my brother take a lot of pride in what we do. We pave the smoothest roads, and that's the enjoyment of it.
Continental Paving is a large player here in New England. Mark, he's very focused on his employees and taking care of them.
Any company is only as good as the people, and I think without good people, you don't have a good company. Gates was definitely the solution to a problem that we had from a maintenance standpoint. A guy that works on an asphalt plant works 12 hours a day. It's a pretty hectic pace. You have 30 trucks, a 10-man paving crew. If any one thing stops, it shuts the whole operation down. And that's what really makes it extremely intense. If one of the pieces of the puzzle fails, then we don't open the road in the morning and create a traffic nightmare, and the world hates us, and we try not to do that. It's important to have products that are sustainable and give you the most efficiency and long life. Mark, my guy that runs the plant here, he come up with the idea of the poly chain because he hates changing the chain on a weekend. It's 95 feet in the air. It's also heavy. We typically would get a crane, a man lift. It took a day and a half. So it always ended up being a weekend. And when you have to work on a Saturday or Sunday, guys get burnt out. And I hate burning out employees. That's a big, important thing for us so our people have family time.
We captured what he had for chain, and we came up with a solution, and the solution was the 19mm pitch belt. They installed it almost 2 years ago, and it's been working flawlessly. And it's exciting to have this kind of technology and this horsepower behind me as a district sales manager.
Any product is only as good as the people behind it. The team from Gates came in and did a great job. Gates is a great company, their product's good, it's very reliable, and the people make it very painless. It's been nothing but success. The reliability goes way up, and you don't have to send a guy up there daily to oil it or every other day. You don't have oil running down on everything. There's no oil for someone to slip. It's just cleaner, neater. It's just sweet. The poly chain gets a quick return on investment. Never go back to a chain and a sprocket. The poly chain gets rid of misery. And anytime you get rid of misery in today's work environment, I think it's an asset to any company.